Okay, I'm resuming the recording. I want the list of participants in front of me. I want the chat box in front of me. Okay, so that we can start. So, okay, so I am picking up Ria Raut for discussing the homework. Hello, good evening, Ria.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Okay. Now you have to know that this girl troubles me a lot during lectures also. So I'm sorry, Ria, and you are still troubling me here. Okay. Now you are going to give me the answers. For every wrong answer, I request your mom, if she is beside, to give you a tight or maybe a good punch. And I'm sure your mom will be happy to do that. Right, Ria?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So homework answers, Ria. You have to start with that. The first question answer.
Hello.
Yeah. I want the answer for the first question.
Me next is 25.415.
Is Ria right? Is Ria right till I get the table? Everybody? Ria says X bar is, she told 56. That means she's wrong.
Not 56.
I heard
25.
56. I heard 56. That is my
I said
problem.
25.
No, I heard 56. So Ria is wrong. Her first answer is wrong. The answer
Are
is
you?
25.42. I'm just kidding, Ria. Relax. The first answer is 25.42. The second one, Ria.
38.005.
I'm not sure I can hear. Is she right? 38.005? I'm sure she's wrong. What is that, Ria? 30. I'm somebody saying 38.95. Let us see what I have got. I've got 35.97. Rageshri has got the exact answer. Please check your calculation. Has anybody taken 42.5 and got the same answer? Anybody who has taken 42.5 as A and got the same answer? Because whatever you take, yes, Yash Pawar from Vikroli has taken 42.5 and got the same answer. Yes, there are many. So basically, you take anything as A. Ria, you have taken what as A?
37.5.
So I think the calculation is right in front of you. Where did you go wrong, Ria? You can see the calculations, right? Summation FI was 75.
Yes.
Summation FI/UI is minus 23.
It's minus 13 over here.
Oh, that is where you went wrong, maybe. Just check your
Yeah.
calculation to minus 20, minus
The
20.
answers are correct, but the addition is wrong.
If the addition is wrong, the answer is also wrong, Ria. That's how it works usually.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. See, this is where we have to be careful in statistics. Most students lose confidence because they never get the answer wrong. But I'm sure most of you have understood the method perfectly, right, Ria?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. The next one is for you. Once again, what is the next answer?
71.308.
Check your table. This is how the table should look like. Okay. Minus
No.
23 and 500.
No.
No. What you have taken?
500.
Okay. What you have taken A as?
A. I took it as 60.
Okay, no problem. That is why your table will look different. If you have taken A as 64, the table will look different. The answer is 74.83. What is your answer?
71.308.
So you need to check your calculations again, Ria. Has anybody taken 64 as A? Anybody who has taken 64 as A and got the same answer? Okay, Rudrakshi says, I will just put Rudrakshi on unmute. And we will ask, you can check your calculations, okay? Rudrakshi, you have taken A as 64?
Yes.
What is your summation FI/UI?
Summation FI/UI 261.
Minus or positive or negative?
Negative. Positive.
Positive. Ria, is this your case?
Yes, 261.
Okay, so maybe she. What is your U bar, Rudrakshi?
0.52.
Minus 0.52, right?
No, plus.
Okay, then your FI was also positive. Summation FI/UI was also positive.
Minus also 0.52.
Okay, then what is the final answer, Rudrakshi?
74.83.
Okay, Ria, I want you to check your calculation after this. Maybe you have done a small calculation error. Okay, so this table I have shown it. It's according to a different UI. So thank you, Rudrakshi. Riya, you will continue and you will tell me the final answer. Okay?
तिथं सेम घेतलं पण तिथं रॉंग गेला तर त्याने विचारलं आणि
रुद्राक्षी, I can hear you. तिने सेम घेतला आणि त्यांनी मला विचारलं आणि त्यांनी ट्रू केला आणि मी झोपलो. I just tried my best. Rudra, what is the answer? Now I think you saw it, Riya. Is your answer right? 21460?
Yes.
2140. I'm sorry, 2140. It has to be 2140. There is a mistake here. 2140. It's a solved example from your textbook. Thank you so much, Riya.
Thank you, sir.
I spare you today. Now I want somebody to give me answers of the formulas before we go ahead. We are going to start with median today. I want to revise certain things. Somebody is going to tell me who wants to speak. Daksh from Devi Dayal. Daksh. Hi, Daksh. Daksh, you can hear me? Daksh Chheda?
Yes.
Yeah. Daksh, tell me the formula for mean in direct method.
Sorry.
Formula for mean in direct method.
Class mark xi,
Okay.
and then frequency fi into xi,
And the formula?
sigma fi xi upon sigma fi.
Okay. Now, Daksh, in the next method, that is assuming method, there is one new column that is di, and the last column is fi di.
Yeah.
Tell me the formulas. D bar, the formula for D bar.
Sigma fi di upon sigma fi.
What wonderful. What is the formula for X bar in this?
Sorry.
Formula for X bar, mean.
Mean of x bar.
Hmm.
A plus d.
A plus D bar. A plus D bar. That
D
is the
bar,
average of D bar. Perfect. Now, in everybody in step deviation method, there is one more column UI that gets added up, and the last column is FI UI. Now, Daksh will tell us what is the formula for U bar.
Sigma fi ui upon sigma fi.
Sigma Fi UI upon sigma Fi. And what is the formula for X bar, mean X bar?
A plus g into u. Bar.
G into U bar. Perfect. Thank you so much, Daksh. See, I want everybody to be as perfect as Daksh. See, he has revised his concepts well. And if you do that, and Daksh, I also want you to practice these sums again. Sums which you have done already, keep practicing it ahead, because this chapter is going to give you 12 marks. Imagine 12 marks if you perfect this chapter. So it's going to be a lot helpful. And this entirely depends on formula and practice. And once you have done it, you will be thorough throughout. So thank you, Daksh. Now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and teach you median. I want everybody to pay attention. I want you to pay attention. Everybody knows what is median. Now this is a new concept. There is only one type here. Median means the middlemost data. Now when I say middlemost data, the data which comes exactly in between is called as median. We have studied how to find out median in standard 9 for ungrouped data. We arrange the data in ascending order. The data which comes exactly in between is called as median. If there are two numbers coming in between, we take the average of both. Now this is what we did in 9th. In 10th, median won't be that simple. It could be complicated at the beginning. So I want you to focus, completely focus. If need be, make points of whatever I say. Because if you get it right, it will be wonderful. There are high chances of median being a part of the exams. A very important concept from board point of view. I want everybody to quickly repeat the formula with me, or maybe repeat it for yourself and write it. The formula for median is L plus N upon 2 minus CF, which stands for cumulative frequency, upon F into H. I repeat, L plus. Now carefully, there is a plus sign after L. The most common mistake people do here is they forget to write plus. They forget to write plus and they land up writing multiplication. So it is L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. It is not as complicated as it looks like. Just make a note of the formula and by heart the formula. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Once you're done, tell me. I'm going to pick up randomly and going to ask the formula. Once you're done, please tell me. Done? Okay, there are many who are done. There are many who are done. I am going to ask somebody, maybe TGT Kunal Dubey. Kunal, you can hear me? I'm not in a position to unmute him. I don't know why. Unable to unmute Kunal. Okay. Somebody is unmuted now. TGT Bhumika. Bhumika, you can hear me? Bhumika, you can hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me the formula for median.
Median is equals to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, Bhumika. Perfect, perfect. Now, this is exactly, I want you to by heart the formula. I'll be asking the formulas randomly any day. Okay. So once again, I repeat the formula for median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now, we are going to look at this method step by step. Now, initially, just focus what I'm doing. The first sum will be the turnaround game for this. Okay. Now, just pay attention. I'll read the sum for you. The following table shows the classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median number of hours they would work. Now just give me a minute. Okay, students, now pay attention. The daily number of hours is given. The number of worker is given. Now there are few things in median we need to take care of. Few things. First thing, class interval should be given to us. And frequency, first of all, class interval is given to me. 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16. I will write down the H first. We all know we take the difference of these two numbers. See, you can see the arrow, 10 and 8. The difference of those two numbers is 2. So the H becomes 2. Class frequency is 99% times given to us. I'm just making a note of it. Now, these are the two columns. This is given to us. I'm telling you, there are times where frequency will not be given to us. Class interval will not be given to us. How to solve that sum? We will see them. But class interval and frequency are must. There is one thing before you start with median, you need to understand. You need to check. You need to check one thing. Can you see 8 to 10 and then 10 to 12? 8 to 10 and then 10 to 12. Then 12 to 14. This upper limit is getting repeated. Such classes are called as, what are they called as? You studied in 9th. What are they called as? Write in the chat box. Right? What are they called as? If the number is repeating, the upper limit is the continuous classes. Perfect. DN Nagar, somebody from DN Nagar, Ghatkopar Chahat, continuous classes. They are called as, they are not called as executive. They are called as continuous classes. They are also called as inclusive classes. Perfect. Now, for finding out a median, make a note of it. Write it down somewhere. For finding out a median, the classes should be continuous. For mean, it doesn't matter whether the classes are continuous or not. Continuous रहेगा तो भी चलेगा, continuous नहीं रहेगा तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन median में चलेगा क्या? नहीं. If they are discontinuous, how to make it continuous? We will study at the end of the chapter. Today we are going to study only median. We will only take continuous classes and understand median. Is this much clear? Okay. Now, there is one concept that you, okay. You want me to repeat? For median, the classes should be continuous. This is the crux. For median, the classes should be continuous. If they are discontinuous, what to do? I will tell you at the end. Now, the third and the very important column is cumulative frequency, which is called CF. And we know cumulative frequency less than type. Anybody who knows how to find out cumulative frequency less than type? Studied in standard 9. Anybody who knows it? Type yes, I know it. Anybody who knows it? Leher knows it. So I will pick up Leher and ask how to do it. Because I don't know it. Leher.
Hello.
Hello, Leher. You know it, right?
Yes,
Leher,
sir.
how do we do it?
So we have to write the first column 150 as it is.
Yes.
Then in the next column, we have to add 150 and 500.
Perfect.
Then in the next column, the sum plus 300.
Yes. Perfect. What Leher is trying to tell us is absolutely correct. Now, for all those who do not know it, pay attention. I'm going to explain cumulative frequency only for the first sum because I've studied it in standard 9. Look at the screen carefully. The first number 150 will be written as it is. Okay. Then we add these two frequencies. Can you see, everybody? I have marked it. Add these two frequencies. 150 plus 500, that is 650. I hope you got this. You have to take less than tab. Why not the others? I will get back to you. Let us focus here right now. Add this. 650 plus 300. You will get 950. Then you get 950 plus 50, 1000. Has everybody understood how to find out cumulative frequency less than type? Yes, perfect. I'm getting yeses from everybody. Perfect. Now listen to me carefully. We will talk about more than type later. Now just pay attention here. The total of frequency is also called as n. Now just pay attention. Don't stop typing. Just pay attention here. The total of frequency is also called as n. And the total has to be 1000. The last number of cumulative frequency will always be the total. If these two are not same, that means you are wrong somewhere. Now, student, if you see, n is 1000. N is 1000. Now, listen to me carefully. The most important concept in median is median class. Now, what is median class? I will tell you. I will tell you what is median class. But median class is the very important concept in this chapter. To find out median, you need to find out the median class. If you find out median class properly, your entire game is over. The sum is done. It becomes very easy. Because after that, it is just substituting it in the formula. So how to find out median class? Carefully listen to me. First, we find out n. Then we find out n upon 2. See, median is the middlemost class. So I have to find out where is the middlemost observation. N upon 2 will be 1000 upon 2. And that will be, can you type what will be 1000 upon 2? 500. Perfect. Now listen to me carefully. Now n upon 2 is a very important value. Stop typing. Yadnesh, if you cannot see your screen, go back and come back. Everybody can see the screen, right? Yadnesh says he can't see the screen. The screen is visible, right? Everything is proper, right? Yes, perfect. Yadnesh, there is some problem from your end. No problem. Okay, now listen to me. First, we'll find out n. Then we'll find out n upon 2. Now, carefully. Now, once you have found out n upon 2, एक बार n upon 2 मिल गया ना, find out cumulative frequency. ये जो कॉलम है ना, इसमें से ढूंढो एक ऐसा फिगर जो 500 से जस्ट ग्रेटर हो, 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा हो. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में से कौन सा वैल्यू 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा है? प्लीज टाइप कौन सा वैल्यू थोड़ा ज्यादा है. आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ आंसर्स. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ रॉन्ग आंसर. एवरीबडी इज टाइपिंग राइट आंसर. ऐसा कैसा चलेगा? कोई तो रॉन्ग आंसर दो. Everybody is giving me right answer. Perfect. Now listen. 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा वैल्यू कौन सा है? 650. 468 गलत दे दिया जानबूझ के. Is this very clear? 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा out of the cumulative frequency. This is clear. 650 is थोड़ा ज्यादा. Not 950 ओजास. Not 950. 650 is 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा. The closest but the greatest. But the greater one. Now ये जो 650 है उसका corresponding class जो है 10 to 12 है. Can you see I have highlighted it? 10 to 12. Now this 10 to 12 is the median class, the most important concept. If you have understood this, you will understand the sum. That is my guarantee. Now once again, we will find out n upon 2. वो मिला 500. तो 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा जो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में हो, that is called as, that is 650 ईयर, और उसका जो क्लास होगा वो होगा मीडियन क्लास. अभी मीडियन क्लास समझ गया सबको? मीडियन क्लास समझ गया? Everybody understood what is median class? Everybody type yes if you have understood median class. Type yes. Yes. Once again I'm repeating because I saw a single no there. Once again for who have not understood, पहले n upon 2 ढूंढने का, that is 500 मिला मुझे. 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ये लिस्ट में से ढूंढने का, which is 650. अभी 650 का जो क्लास है वो मेरा मीडियन क्लास है. That is the median class. Everybody understood how to find out median class? What is median class? I will tell you. How to find out median class is understood. Gaurav, you understood how to find out median class? Yes, Stanley, tell me the doubt. Once again, n upon 2 is 500. n upon 2 ढूंढो. 500 से just greater. 500 से थोड़ा ज्यादा क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 650. अब ये जो 650 का क्लास है वही मेरा मीडियन क्लास है. Okay, great. Now, what do you mean by median class? Yeah, equal bhi chalega agar equal aaya to. Now listen to me. See, other doubts out of the context we can discuss it later on. Now just focus on what I am teaching. Okay. Now 10 to 12 अगर median class है, what is the significance of the median class? अगर 10 to 12 अगर तुम्हारा median class है, तुम्हारा जो final answer होगा वो 10 से छोटा नहीं हो सकता, 12 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. That is the beautiful part of the median class. 10 to 12 अगर तुम्हारा median class है, तुम्हारा median का value 10 से छोटा नहीं होगा और 12 से बड़ा नहीं होगा. अगर ऐसा आया, that means you are going somewhere wrong. Is this clear? Anybody's got a doubt? Great. Now let us look at the formula. We all have written the formula. I'm just not looking at the chats for some time. Okay. We will just focus on the sum. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. अगर मुझे ये फॉर्मूला का हर एक वैल्यू मिल गया तो मेरा मीडियन मिल गया. तो पे अटेंशन. अभी L है मेरे पास? नहीं है. n upon 2. Do I have n upon 2? Do I have n upon 2? The value of n upon 2? Do I have the value of n upon 2? L, I will tell you what L is. Don't worry about it. Yes, we have the value of n upon 2. Do we have the value of CF? No. We do not have the value of CF. Do you have the value of F? No, we do not have the value of F yet. Do we have the value of H? Yes, we do have the value of H. तो अभी हमको मीडियन ढूंढने के लिए किस किस का वैल्यू चाहिए? टाइप ऑन द चैट बॉक्स. क्या क्या ढूंढना पड़ेगा मीडियन ढूंढने के लिए? किस किस का वैल्यू ढूंढना पड़ेगा? L, H लिखा है ना 2. It is right there on the top of the table. L, CF and F. Perfect. L, CF and F. Stop typing now. Focus. I'm telling you how to find out L, CF and F. Pay attention. First L. अभी है ना median class is everything. Median class is everything. What does everything stand for? I'm telling you slow by one by one. Just pay attention. L. Now median class पे focus. तो median class को मैंने highlight कर दिया है. पहले L ढूंढते हैं. अभी जो भी ढूंढूंगा ना वो सब मीडियन क्लास से ही रिलेटेड होगा. समझ में आ रहा है? अभी जो भी ढूंढूंगा सब मीडियन क्लास से रिलेटेड होगा. L stands for, if you want to make a note of it, L stands for lower limit of median class. L stands for lower limit of median class. Can you tell me what will be the lower limit of median class? Anybody who can type? Lower limit of median class? Perfect. Atharva from Vikroli, he was the first one to do that. If you see, I have highlighted on the screen, L is the lower limit of the median class. Median class मेरा 10 to 12 है, तो 10 मेरा lower limit है और 10 मेरा L है. 12 is the upper limit. 12 is not the lower limit. 12 is the upper limit. So 10 lower limit of the median class. तो मेरा L है 10. Is this clear? Okay, great. Now F, now I think you can guess, is the frequency of the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. L lower limit of median class, F, frequency of the median class, CF. Now CF is a bit tricky. F मिल गया 500, CF is the one which usually people go wrong. क्या गलती करते हैं हम लोग? L मीडियन क्लास का है, F मीडियन क्लास का है, तो हम लोग CF भी मीडियन क्लास का ही लेता है, बट CF मीडियन क्लास का नहीं लेना है. रिमेंबर, कोट अनकोट, अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, CF मीडियन क्लास का नहीं लेना है. CF मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर के क्लास का लेना है. CF will be cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. This is what your textbook says. अगर हिंदी में बात करूं तो मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर के क्लास का क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, मीडियन क्लास ये है, उसके ऊपर का क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है? 150 will be your CF. L, lower limit of median class. F, frequency of median class. CF, मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर के क्लास का, मीडियन क्लास का, मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर के क्लास का. Is that very clear? Is that very clear? Sure about it? CF will always be of the previous class. Okay, fantastic. So CF will be 150. Perfect. Now we will substitute, students. Now it is only calculation. अभी है ना, मैं कुछ कैलकुलेशन टेक्निक दूंगा. अगर ऐसा करोगे तो तुमको हमेशा आंसर अप्रोक्सीमेट, तुम्हारा टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे से आंसर मैच होगा, बोर्ड के आंसर शीट से आंसर मैच होगा. अगर तुम लोग ने वही किया जो मैं बोल रहा हूं, क्योंकि बोर्ड के आंसर की में एक आंसर होगा और हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा आंसर थोड़ा सा डिविएट हो. मैं नहीं चाहूंगा कि कभी भी वो डिविएट हो. इफ यू वांट एग्जैक्टली द सेम आंसर, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट टू डू. सबका आंसर थोड़ा थोड़ा अलग आ सकता है इसमें, बट इफ यू वांट अ प्रिसाइज आंसर, यू हैव टू फॉलो माय एडवाइस. पहले तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. ओके, पहले हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. n/2 500 है, h हमारे पास है विच इज 2, तो l के जगह पे 10 आ गया, प्लस ब्रैकेट आ गया, n/2 500 हमारे पास था, CF अभी अभी मिला हमको 150 और F हमारा है 500 इंटू H है हमारा 2 इंटू 2. नाउ केयरफुली, अभी मेरा सजेशन सुनो. ये जो 10 दिख रहा है ना, इसको एंड तक ऐड ही नहीं करने का. 10 प्लस जो दिख रहा है ना, प्लस के बाद वाले को डेसिमल तक सॉल्व करो ऑलवेज, इफ यू वांट अ परफेक्ट आंसर. प्लस के बाद वाले को डेसिमल तक सॉल्व करो, उसके बाद 10 को ऐड करो. मतलब मैं हर बार 10 को कुछ नहीं करूंगा, 10 बेटा तू ऐसे ही रहेगा, 10 ऐसे प्लस 500 माइनस 150 इज 350 अपॉन 500 इंटू 2. वापस ये 10 को कुछ नहीं करूंगा, 0 0 कैंसिल, 5 7 जार 5 10 जार, ये 10 को वैसे लिखा. अभी 7 2 जार, इफ यू सी ऊपर 7 बचा है और यहां पे 2 भी बचा है, दैट इज 2. 7 2 जार 14 अपॉन 10. मैंने कैंसिल नहीं किया क्योंकि अपॉन 10 है तो अच्छा है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने क्या बोला? 10 नेवर एडेड. देयर आर पीपल हु विल गो फॉर एलसीएम एंड एवरीथिंग. डोंट गो एवर. इतना आने के बाद उसको डिवाइड कर लो, 14 और 10 को डिवाइड कर लो. 10 को एज इट इज, 14 अपॉन 10 विल बी 1.4. नाउ 10 प्लस 1.4 will be 11.4 and that will be our final answer. The median of time they work is 11.4. and if you see, median class 10 to 12 था और आंसर आया 11.4. मतलब 10 से छोटा नहीं है, 12 से बड़ा नहीं है, right? So that is our answer. I hope this sum made sense. I'm sure there would be a bit of confusion because this is the first sum. Next sum में बहुत clear होगा. Now I am giving you 2 minutes or 5 minutes rather to quickly copy down the sum. Quickly copy down करो. Quickly copy down the sum. टेन ऐड किया, कभी कभी ना, अगर पहले बार तो 10 एलसीएम लेके ऐड किया तो कभी कभी आंसर थोड़ा सा डिविएट हो जाता है डेसिमल्स में. ओके, ऑल दोस हु आर डन, ग्रेट. ऑल दोस हु आर नॉट डन, complete it. Rageshri, I will talk about it less than type. You can take more than type also, but you have to reverse the entire table then. You will still get the same answer. There is a lot of complications. And especially more than type is out of our portion. So we cannot use it. More than type is not there for standard 10. So display the next sum, please. I will. Let us go with everybody. Is everybody done? say no if you're not done. No, Sneha, it's not your wish. I will suggest do that. Okay, there are a few no's. I'm waiting for them. Now, for the next sum, I'm going to pick up somebody to help me. You are going to help me for the sum. Somebody is going to tell me how to do it. And then we are going to do it. Okay. I was not looking at the message box. I'm sorry. I am opening it now. Yes. Everybody done. Everybody done. Now try to understand one more thing. There are few types in Median, which I am going to discuss only in classroom lectures. There is one or two type of sums which we will discuss only when we meet in classroom. Okay. Understand that I will not be teaching you one or two applause sound effect dalo sir. But for whom, Shreya? For myself. Of course, and for the next person who gives me applause sound effects dalunga. Definitely. Homework I have already shown, Priyal. What you can do is you can see the video when you get it. The lecture will end as soon as I finish my next sum. Amog, I will give you that when we meet personally. Okay. This looks complicated, but it looks complicated, but it's easy. And with practice, it becomes more easy. Mandar, whatever you're trying to type, please stop it. Mandar, I request you to stop typing that. Jitendra, first you need to learn to put your videos off and behave in the lecture. Only then I will pick you up. Okay. For the next sum, I believe everybody's done, right? Everybody's done. Okay, Sumed, I'm waiting for you. Preet, I'm not picking you up. You have spoken enough. I'm talking about Preet from Takshila branch. Khushi Vora from Ghatkopar wants to, so maybe I can pick her up, or Zaina, or Yash, or Gavrav, or Chembuk. I will see. Randomly, I'll pick up. Let us see. Trust me, I'll pick up slowly and steadily. Everybody, we have a long lockdown. Or maybe if you get bored of me, then we can do something about it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to the next sum now. Okay, the table is right in front of you. The question says, all those who have understood very nicely can start solving it. All those who have not understood, please stay with me. I'm going to explain this sum once again with help of one of the student. Okay, the frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a grove and their yield of mangoes. The median, find the median of data. Okay. This year we are struggling to get mangoes. Yeah, but I had it today. Okay, the class interval is given. Now listen. What is the first thing we need to check? What is the first thing? Okay, I have to pick up somebody. So I am picking up right now somebody. Okay. Chahat, I have already picked you many times. Zena. Yes, Zena. You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
We can't hear you. Zena, speak louder.
Hello, sir.
Your voice is very low.
Hello.
Yes, Zena.
Sir. Just a second.
We can't hear you, Zena. Zena, I can't hear you.
Hello.
Your
Hello?
voice is very low. Speak louder if you can.
Hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Zena, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now I can't hear you, Zena.
Hello.
Okay, I have to pick up somebody else because her voice is really
Hello, sir.
low. Okay, okay. We will pick up Raj Chauhan from Vikroli. Raj Chauhan. Raj, I don't know. I'm struggling to unmute you. Okay, okay. Raj, you can hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Raj. Perfect. Raj, I hope you are having a good day. You understood the previous sum, Raj? Raj has put himself on mute again. Raj, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understood the previous sum, Raj?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Raj, what is the first thing I told you even before we start the sum we have to take care? I want everybody to listen to this.
Class width.
Okay, class width, no. Yeah, there is something wrong with the table. I know it has to be 250 to 300. The last column, the last row has to be 250 to 300. So anyways, it will not affect our answer. Class width, no. What I've told everybody, I want everybody to listen to me once again. If you have forgotten or not paid attention, it has to be continuous. Yes, Tanish from Ghatkopar was exactly on point. The classes has to be continuous. Okay, Raj, we'll go ahead. Raj, you understood what I
Yes.
mean by continuous, right? Okay, the class width will be, Raj, what
Yes,
will
sir.
be the class width?
Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2.
That is class width.
That is upper limit minus lower limit.
That is 2. I will subtract 2 lower limits or 2 upper limits. What will be the class width? Can you tell me?
Yes. 50.
50. 100 minus 50 is 50. So frequency will be given to us. I'm just noting it down. 33, 30, 90, 80, 70. Cumulative frequency. You also have to explain me, Raj, how to get it. Okay.
Sir, first column will be same 33.
Okay, wait. The Raj says cumulative frequency less than type. The first one will be as it is 33. So exactly what Raj says it, I'm following it. Yes, Raj.
And next one will be 33 plus 30. That is 63.
Perfect, Raj. Now Raj says for the next column, I have for the next cumulative frequency, I have to add 33 plus 30, that is 63. Perfect, Raj. Go ahead, Raj.
And then next one 63 plus 90. That is 153.
Okay, perfect. 63 plus 90, that is 153. And then?
Then 153 plus 80.
That will
is
be
133.
233.
233.
Perfect. I think you're calculating
Yes, yes.
orally. That's
Yes,
great.
sir.
Still you told 133. That is right. That means you got your calculations right. Go ahead, Raj.
Then next one will be 233 plus 17.
That is
250.
Raj, can you tell me what will be the total of frequency? Raj. If you're adding it, I want you to stop. You don't have
Yes,
to add it. यहाँ पे last column क्या है? Last number क्या है? Cumulative frequency में?
250.
वही होगा
250.
वही होगा हमेशा. Okay?
Yes.
का total हमेशा वही होगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Raj, thank you so much. Now I want to explain how to find out median class by myself once again. Okay. Okay. Now pay attention, everybody. Now we will find out what is n. We got it 250. We'll get n upon 2. That is 250 upon 2. 125. Now, which is the cumulative frequency just greater than 125? Type on the message box. Which is the cumulative frequency just greater than 125? 123. Atharva from Vikroli is the first one to tell me. 153. So can you tell me 153 मिल गया मेरे को 125 से थोड़ा ज्यादा. तो उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग क्लास उसका क्लास कौन सा है 150 to 200. Now this 150 to 200 will be my median class. Now who wants to tell me about the small details about the formula? We know the formula is L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Who wants to tell me the Kaivalya from Chembur? Okay, Kaivalya, be ready. I'm trying to pick you up. For some reason, my laptop is... We have two Kaivalya. Now I forgot which was that. I have just unmuted Kaivalya Yadav. Kaivalya, was that you who told?
Yes, sir.
Right, yeah, perfect. Okay, Kaivalya, one by one. We want to find out L first. What would be L?
150.
Why? How do you know it is 150?
It is a lower limit of 150 to 200 class.
Perfect. Lower limit of the median class, that is L. Now, before Kaivalya goes ahead, I would like to interrupt telling one thing. You have to write this statement, median class is. For mentioning the median class, you get 1 mark. Even if you don't solve the sum, if you draw the table and mention the median class, you get 1 mark for writing the median class, 1 mark for the table. तो 2 mark median का नहीं आता ढूंढने, इधर तक आता तो भी 2 mark मिल गया 4 में से. Okay, Kaivalya, 150. What will be F?
90.
Kaivalya says it is 90. Why 90, Kaivalya?
It is the frequency of median class.
Perfect. Exactly what Kaivalya says. Frequency of the median class. Okay, next one is tricky, Kaivalya. CF. What will be cumulative frequency?
63.
कैसा 63? मुझको 153 दिख रहा है. क्या आएगा कैवल्य?
Hello.
हाँ कैवल्य, how 63?
So it is about the 153.
Perfect. मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर के क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी, मीडियन क्लास के ऊपर के क्लास का फ्रीक्वेंसी, cumulative frequency will be CF, that is 63. N upon 2 will be 125 and H is 50. Thank you so much, Kaivalya. Thank you so much. Now, students, I'm giving you 2 minutes to substitute and find out the value of median. I'm giving you 2 minutes to substitute and find out the value of median. Quickly. I'm substituting for you. 150 plus N upon 2 will be 125 minus CF will be 63 upon F will be 90 into H. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Maybe you'll have to, maybe some of you have to write right from the beginning. The sum will come for 3 to 4 marks. That is what I'm talking about. 3 to 4 marks मतलब इसके साथ ऑप्शन में सारे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सम्स आएंगे, सारे डिफिकल्ट सम्स जो है ना अलजेब्रा के टेक्स्ट बुक में, उसके साथ ऑप्शन में ये रहेगा. So this will always be a better option. Wonderful. Yadnesh is done. Very good. 184. I am getting 153. 240 answer. 240 आंसर नहीं हो सकता. क्यों नहीं हो सकता 240 आंसर? बिकॉज 150 और से 200 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता आंसर. Okay, I'm getting some answers. Let us see. I've got different answers. Let us wait for 1 more minute. Students are copying the table and then maybe solving the sum. I hope everybody understood. अगर 150 to 200 मेरा मीडियन क्लास है, मेरा मीडियन का आंसर 150 से छोटा नहीं होगा, 200 से बड़ा नहीं होगा. Has everybody done? If done, say yes, done, or should I wait? Right, wait if you want me to wait. Right, wait if you want me to wait. Nobody is writing wait. So should I go ahead? Okay, there is Zena who's saying wait. Atharva saying wait. So there are few. I'm waiting for you all. Okay, I'm waiting. This tabel, wait. Yes, I'm waiting. Uddhav Pandit has got a different answer. Labdi has got a different answer. Everybody's getting a different answer. I will not disclose the answer now. 198.3, difficult. 153, 200 now. Go ahead. Thank you, Sarvesh. Is everybody done? Okay, I'm slowly explaining the calculation till you write it. 150, as I told you, we'll always write it as it is. Okay, Renuka wants me to wait for a minute. Okay. Is there a mistake in PPT? The last class has to be 250 to 300. That is the mistake in the PPT. It has to be 250 to 300. Anyways, it doesn't affect the answer. What Vijay Panchal has typed, God knows. Okay, okay. I feel most of you have done. I'm just trying to solve it further. 125 minus 63 is going to be 62 upon 90 into 50. 150 as it is. As I told you, we will never add it. Okay. I've multiplied 62 into 50. That is 3100 upon 90. Now we'll cancel the 0. 150 as it is. As I told you, never cross multiply. Never try to go for LCM and everything. Divide 310 by 9 if you want to be the closest to the answer. That will be 34.4444444444. Never end. Never ending. So 150 plus 34.44 will be 184.44, which was the maximum answer. And I'm glad most of you got this answer. And median of the data is 184.44. And I'm sure कि calculation error हो रहे हैं. That will get corrected with practice. I hope you understood the method. Has everybody understood the method? Say yes if you have understood the method. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Priyanka, maybe you took LCM or some mistake. That is why. Perfect. Is this method easy? Right? Easy or difficult? Right? Easy or difficult? Easy, difficult. Easy or difficult? Right? Easy if it is easy. Easy, 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 easy. Now there are a few points that I want to revise before you leave that we need to take a note of. Okay? The classes should always be continuous. Okay? We always need frequency. Sometimes जो frequency दिखेगा वो frequency होगा नहीं. वो कैसे identify करने का? We will talk about it. L is the lower limit of the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. CF is not of the median class but of the class preceding the previous class. Okay. Now with this I would like to end the lecture. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. This was fun learning something new. Okay. Thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Homework will be passed on. We'll be passing on a sheet to you all. You will get the homework. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye everybody. List of formulas. Yeah, we can do that definitely once everything is done. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm ending the lecture. Bye everybody.